Hey guys, here you go again, Bub031, and it looks like I just got myself a package in the mail. We'll see what it is. If I know what I think it is, it should be pretty fantastic. So here's an unboxing. So sit back, enjoy the viewing. Okay, now that we have the introduction out of the way, let's get this open. As you can see, fragile, handle with care. So, there's two pieces in here just to let you guys know. One of them is mine, but the other one is for a good friend of mine. I'll let you guess which one that is. So, here we go with the unboxing. Don't you just love it when you actually open up a fresh new package? Gotta love that new smell. Got my handy X-Acto knife here to open this bad boy up. All right. Pull that out. Hopefully we can get this. Oh, here we go. Ready? You guys excited? I'm excited. Well, there's our bill for what I've got. Oh, yeah. Two bills. One for the actual price and one for the shipping. So, yeah. We got that bad boy right there. Oh, here we go. 4-bay cylindrical hoppers, CP number 384553, and oh, this one's actually wrapped in, do I keep it? I think you see what's underneath. Hang on. Dun, 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 dun. 397056. So, there we go. 2 passenger cars. One is mine. The other one is for someone else. I'll let you guess who that is. I know who it is because I've been keeping track with it and I'm telling him that it's been coming. So, a review to follow on with this. So, have a good one, guys. Make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.